Starting over. That's not failure. Starting over brings peace. Boom! Cjay King here again with a brand new, fresh new episode of the Tuff Chat Podcast. And this is a quick talk segment. Remember, I introduced you guys to the quick talk segment already. And you guys definitely already seen the title of the video. Starting over. That's not failure. That's strength. Quitting means you gave up. Resetting means you choose you. You outgrow some people, places, even paths. It's normal. Choose peace. Starting over brings peace. Reset, realign, rebuild. Drop reset in the comment section if you feel this. Until next time, Cjay King. Boom.